My name is Brijesh Patel and I am working as a group therapy manager at Intas Pharmaceutical Limited. We at Intas are at the forefront in cardiometabolic care, and we have a very vast portfolio of Intas Pharmaceutical to take care of various cardiometabolic disease. Starting from the recent one, that is valsartan and sacubitril, with the brand name of ARNI, which is a novel molecule, I would say, that will be the game changer molecule for the heart failure patient. So that is the newer introduction from Intas. Apart from this, from OAD perspective, we have sitagliptin, we have vildagliptin, we have teneligliptin. So we have a wide range of oral antidiabetics. In terms of when we come to the acute coronary syndrome, we have brands like Zygrel, that is a brand of ticagrelor. We have Vasoglor, that is also a brand of ticagrelor. So a vast brands or a vast portfolio of the brands are there with Intas. So I request wherever you can support Intas, you can support Intas wherever you find the suitable patients. Thank you.